Welcome to this in-depth review of BotVS, a trading automation platform designed for cryptocurrency and forex traders. Today, I will walk you through its features, performance, and overall user experience. If you're looking for an automated trading solution, stay tuned as I explore whether BotVS is worth your time and investment. First, let's take a look at the platform itself. BotVS is a cloud-based trading bot that allows users to automate their trades across multiple exchanges. The interface is sleek and modern, with a dashboard that provides real-time market data, trade history, and bot configurations. Upon logging in, users can create a bot, configure settings, and start automating their trading strategy. The bot supports various programming languages like JavaScript and Python, making it a flexible choice for both beginners and advanced traders. One of the main selling points of BotVS is its ability to execute trades based on preset conditions. Users can customize their bot strategies using technical indicators, market trends, and risk management settings. The platform also provides backtesting features, allowing traders to test their strategies using historical data before deploying them in live markets. This is an essential feature for minimizing risk and optimizing profitability. Another key feature is the multi-exchange support. BotVS allows users to connect with major crypto and forex exchanges, giving them access to a broad range of markets. The integration process is straightforward, requiring API keys for authentication. Once connected, the bot can execute trades across different platforms seamlessly. Security is always a concern when using trading bots. BotVS claims to prioritize user security with encrypted API keys and secure cloud-based execution. However, it is always advisable to use API restrictions and avoid enabling withdrawal permissions when integrating a trading bot with an exchange. Now, let's talk about pricing. BotVS offers different subscription plans based on user needs. While there is a free trial, advanced features require a paid plan. Compared to other trading bots, BotVS provides a competitive pricing structure, but whether it is worth the cost depends on your trading style and profitability goals. Many useful links can be found in the description, so check them out after watching this video. Performance-wise, BotVS executes trades efficiently with minimal delays. The bot operates 24/7, ensuring the users don't miss out on trading opportunities. The strategy editor allows for deep customization, and the backtesting feature helps traders fine-tune their approach. However, like any trading bot, profitability is not guaranteed. Market conditions, strategy configuration, and risk management play a crucial role in determining results. A notable downside of BotVS is its learning curve. While the platform is intuitive, new traders may struggle with setting up their first bot. The documentation is helpful, but some users may find it lacking in detail. Fortunately, there is an active community where traders can share insights and strategies. Overall, BotVS is a powerful and feature-rich trading bot that offers flexibility, automation, and cross-exchange support. If you're comfortable with coding and want a highly customizable bot, it's worth considering. However, beginners should take the time to learn how trading bots work before investing real money. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on trading tools and automation platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.